Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 24th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 13th of February, 2025, our system has identified Google as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.19. Let's review the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 3.68%. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.53% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 6.64% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 6.64% and 24.4%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 21.84%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 12.55% to 41.58% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $201.78 and $253.84. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, "Red Day on Monday for Google stock after losing approximately 1/5%. The Google stock price declined by approximately 1/5% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 24th of February, 2025. This drop took the price from $179.66 to $179.29. It has now decreased for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 2.36%, with a low of $178.89 and a high of $183.12. In the last 10 days, the price has fallen in 7 instances, resulting in a decline of 3.19% for this period. Notably, trading volume also decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which can be viewed as a positive indicator since volume typically should align with stock trends. Specifically, on the last day, trading volume dropped by 5 million shares, totaling 30 million shares exchanged for approximately $5.33 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $207.05, while the lowest was $130.67. Currently, the price stands 13.41%, or $27.76, below the 52-week high, and 92.68%, or $2,269.63, below the all-time high reached on the 14th of June, 2021, when the stock price peaked at $2,448.92. In recent developments, Chegg has filed a lawsuit against Google, claiming that its AI-generated summaries have negatively impacted the traffic and revenue of the online education platform. This allegation suggests that Google's use of artificial intelligence in search could not only disrupt specific sectors like education, but also raises broader concerns about the sustainability of original content across the internet. The outcome of this lawsuit could influence Google's regulatory environment and investor perceptions, potentially impacting its stock price in both the short and long term. Additionally, Google faces penalties in South Africa related to anti-competitive behavior, which may require significant compensation payments. Such financial obligations can alter investor sentiment and expectations about incremental profits, affecting the stock in the near term. On a more positive note, Alphabet Inc. has been attracting attention for being undervalued relative to its peers. Current sentiment indicates that despite the recent market fluctuations, many technology investors still see growth potential in Google. As analysts highlight the stock's historic cheapness compared to the S&P 500, this could drive investor interest and lead to a potential rise in the long run. However, concerns about a rotation from growth to value stocks, particularly amidst shifting economic conditions, suggest that Google may face short-term volatility. Ultimately, How the company navigates these challenges will be crucial in determining its trajectory and stock valuation in the coming months. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Google an overweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Google a neutral rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned Google an outperform rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 2nd of January, 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned Google a market perform rating with a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Google a neutral rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Google stock. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Google. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Google stock is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. Should there be upward corrections, resistance is anticipated at $183.42 and $192.05. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 4th, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 13.13%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 11 days ago. The short-term moving average reflects a buy signal from 5 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has a buy signal from 10 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 14 days ago. The long-term moving average reflects a sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 71 days ago. For more insights and signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at $175.37. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $4.23 between its high and low, which represents a change of 2.36%. For the past week, the stock's daily average volatility was 2.12%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.02. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $191.33. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this might be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $175.37. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Porat Ruth, who bought and sold 15,890 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 20.946. In total, insiders purchased 1,603,650 shares and sold 1,045,045 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Google stock a good buy? The stock of Google exhibits several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that Google will likely underperform in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, our assessment of this stock is negative. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 25th of February, we forecast that Google will open up by $1.14, starting its trading at $180.43. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.